guys, I'm Alice and I work at Kingston Library Service. We're trying out a new recipe series called Cooking at Home. They're just nice easy recipes that you can make at home and hope that you enjoy making them. Today I'm going to show you how to make Scottish cauliflower soup. It's super easy and it's yum. The only special piece of equipment that you might need is a stick blender, which is perfect for blending soup. So let's have fun and get into it. I hope you enjoy. Wash the cauliflower florets in a colander. In a large pot over a low-medium heat, melt the butter. Add the garlic, onion, cauliflower, stir gently and add seasonings. Stock powder, bay leaf, salt and pepper. Add boiling water and stir gently. Turn down the heat to the minimum. Place the lid on and leave a small gap. After 10 minutes, simmering gently, stir again. Continue to cook for 40 minutes, checking every 10 minutes. Remove the bay leaf. Turn off the heat. Add the cheese, milk and mustard. Stir gently. Careful, it's going to be very hot. I like to place my pot onto a board on the bench and then blend with the stick blender. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed making Scottish cauliflower soup or learning something new, even if you didn't try making it today. It's been lovely to cook with you and I look forward to cooking with you again. To learn more recipes and cooking ideas, please go to the Kingston Library website or go to Kingston Library's YouTube channel. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!